Yeah, okay, we're flying albatros. Oh, you know what? Let me get it close by, hold on. You were supposed to get that.
I thought you was gonna hit me. Make sure you weren't trying to pop me upside my head with it.
What?
Okay, well.
Get that next time. I'm flying close. He's in. Ah, stupid. Ah! Hold on.
Ah! Oh!
Hold on. I'm coming back around. Trying to keep it low so you can see it.
Just in case I'm sitting right here so you don't hit me.
Well, that's what I was worried about. That last one got a little.
Here. Hold on. Dang it. Now since we start the video, I can't do it. See, and I always got full throttle just in case.
Kill it. Kill it.
Okay, here's a good one. Boom, there's a good one.
Yeah.
Kill the engine now. Look at it. Let him record it killing the engine. When you
hold on.
When you get up, kill it. And you'll watch it. You'll go. Kill the engine. Loop and poo. And you loop and poo. Kill. Kill.
No.
Don't hit us, Everett. You think it hurt. Huh.
Well, now since you say that, I'm gonna try it. Whoa, okay.
You're gonna try what?
Buzz in your head. Haircut time.
That was cool. Hold on, I'm gonna go 3D looking. Hold on. I need you to stand like, okay, get above my head though.
Yeah, I know.
Oh gosh, hold on. Okay.
You're almost as big as your dad, kind of. Here it comes. Here comes Everett. Ow! That's on.
Oh, hold on. That one wasn't good. Hold on.
Ah, that shocked me again.
Oh my gosh, are you that retarded to touch it again?
Quit touching the electrical fence, dude. You're too young for shock treatments.
Oh dang, that was cool.